Hello guys, again we are back with our USMLE and next clinical case discussion, case number 3 on this channel, and starting with the new cases of this day. And without any further delay, let's move on to the case number 3. So this is the case presented in the screen. Let's evaluate the case and discuss the answer. A 2-year-old boy present to a office with the intermittent fever of 40 degrees Celsius for the past 3 days. The physical examination revealed no source of infection. However, you notice faint pain maculopapular rashes on his trunk. The patient does not appear toxic and the parents feel he appears well in between fevers. They also add the rash was not seen earlier. The differential diagnosis includes. Let's evaluate the important points and discuss the answer of this case. Okay, the first point is the intermittent fever of 40 degrees Celsius and the 2-year-old boy present, not a newborn baby. And sometimes he noticed faint pink maculopapular rash on his trunk, मतलब centripetal distribution rashes, and the patient appears well between fevers. Remember guys, this appears well between fevers. So on this point we can exclude the other options, and the rash was not seen earlier. Okay, so see the differential diagnosis, discuss, and the answer write in the comment box, and we discuss the answer in the further next slides. Okay, so here we are go with the answer and see the answer. Answer is the D. Why answer is D? Before that we can exclude the other option, and lastly we discuss the answer D. Okay, first is the rubella. Rubella is the typically only 3 days illness. The rash would be already present. Here discuss is the rash was not early seen, so rubella is excluded. Okay, B option is the children are unlikely to have fever with erythema infectious. So erythema infectious, fifth disease, so fever with not rashes, so option B is excluded. C is a erythema toxicum is common in newborn baby. Here is the 2-year-old baby. Remember guys, I told newborn baby other than 2-year-old, so option C is excluded. Okay, E is the diagnosis is unlikely because the child is acting well between fevers and does not appear toxic. He is also not seriously ill after 3 days history of illness. So E answer is the meningitis. So meningitis answer is also included. The remaining answer is the D, roseola. Let's discuss how the answer is roseola. Roseola is the characterized by 3 days of fever which disappears suddenly as the typical rash appears. Roseola is typically characterized by 3 days of fever, high fever followed by rapid maculopapular rashes, which is maculopapular and erythematous, typically beginning in the trunk, may spread to involve the neck and extremities, non-pruritic and blenches on pressure. When we pressurize on the papule or macule, the color changes appear in the rashes. So intermittent fever, main point is the intermittent fever, maculopapular rash on his trunk. Rash was not seen earlier because after fever rash is developed. Okay guys, so answer is D, roseola. So this is our case. Stay tuned with us and keep revising. Best of luck guys. Thank you so much.